BakerRob, the fun AI baking adventure. In the bustling classroom of Mrs. Lively, excitement was as palpable as the scent of vanilla in the air. Class, today we combine the art of baking with the science of AI, she announced, unveiling their unique project. The star of the day was BakerRob, a compact kitchen robot armed with AI capabilities. Mrs. Lively explained, BakerRob can assist us, but it learns from our instructions. The students circled around the robot, their eyes sparkling with curiosity. While measuring ingredients, Mrs. Lively described AI's nature. Think of AI as a computer brain learning from data. Right now, BakerRob is a novice baker, just like some of us. Kevin, an inquisitive student, chimed in. So we're teaching it, just as we learn new recipes? Groups of students experimented with various ingredient ratios, inputting their data into BakerRob. Gradually, the robot started to understand the role of each component. Emily, always thoughtful, remarked, "It's learning from our experiments, much like we learn from our mistakes." After numerous trials, BakerRob began suggesting tweaks in the recipes. "It's using our lessons to make predictions," explained Mrs. Lively. The students watched, fascinated, as AI actively participated in their baking process. The moment of truth arrived with the taste test. Each batch, unique in its way, demonstrated BakerRob's learning and adaptability. Alex, with a mouthful of cookies, joyfully declared, "These are the finest cookies we've ever baked." While enjoying their cookies, the class reflected on their learnings. AI can solve problems by learning from data, summarized Mrs. Lively. But remember, its effectiveness depends on the quality of data we provide. The students nodded, now aware of AI's potential and its boundaries. As the day concluded, the students were abuzz with ideas on AI's future applications in cooking and beyond. They left the classroom, their minds filled not just with newfound AI knowledge but also with a sense of wonder and possibilities ahead.